Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best TV antenna for RVs on Amazon. If you love camping in your recreational vehicle but still crave the creature comforts of a fully functioning TV, you need the best TV antenna you can get. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Luxtronic HD TV Antenna. The Luxtronic HD TV antenna is omnidirectional with 360-degree reception. It's a portable HD TV antenna that works at home, as well as in an RV or tractor trailer. Simply connect the 10-foot coaxial cable, and you're good to go. You can attach the antenna directly to a television using its magnetic base. This antenna is compatible with 1080p 4K smart TVs, as well as older TVs. The antenna can receive signals in HD in South Dakota from TV towers up to 50 miles away, and no Wi-Fi is needed. Plus, it's very affordable. However, it's not a good idea to drive with this antenna mounted to the roof, as it only relies on a magnetic base. And while the coax cord length is alright, you may need an extension cable to mount it in the best location. Number 2. King VQ4100 Satellite TV Antenna. Specially designed to be used while tailgating, this portable satellite TV antenna is the ideal pick for outdoor enthusiasts and RV owners. It's an automatic aiming antenna that is easy to set up and works right out of the box. Since it's a satellite dish, you do have to pay for the subscription to get service, which is set up as a pay-as-you-go plan from Dish or Direct with this particular model. In terms of mounting, you've got a couple of different options. You can mount it permanently to the roof of your coach, but keep in mind that the antenna only works when you're parked, or you can do temporary mounting, giving you more freedom and mobility. It receives its power from the coax cable, and it can be used anywhere outside with a clear view of the sky. The one downside we discovered with this model is that it has some trouble picking up HD channels in some areas. If you're really far away from civilization, in obstructed areas with lots of trees or other interference, then you might not receive all the channels. Other than that, we have nothing bad to say about this model. Number 3. King OA1501 Portable Omnidirectional HD TV Antenna. Our budget pick is this King HD TV antenna that puts the competition in the dust. It's compact and portable, making it the perfect antenna to take along on camping trips. A unique feature of this device is its omnidirectional head, which allows you to receive HD TV channels from all directions without having to adjust the antenna. It also self-scans, so it does all the heavy lifting for you once powered. Another great feature is the mobile design. The package itself comes with everything you need to take the device along wherever you go. A collapsible mini tripod mount, a magnetic vehicle mount, a flexible power supply, and a carry bag are included in the set. As with many tech devices, you do get what you paid for. In this case, the antenna's power is a little less when compared with more expensive models. Number 4. Winegard PA 6002 Satellite Antenna. One of the easiest to use antennas on the market, this Winegard model is 100% automatic and self-installs faster than most other antennas. To make use of a satellite antenna, keep in mind that you'll need a receiver and a subscription to watch digital TV. A great perk about this antenna is that it requires no complicated wiring and no power cables. It's powered by just one coax cable from the satellite receiver. This pathway antenna has another unique feature that deserves to be mentioned. It can point to either the Western or Eastern arc satellite orbitals, which gives you the most programming available. Thanks to the antenna's power, this is the ideal pick if you tend to camp out far away from civilization, aka the nearest TV tower. Number 5. Winegard Sensor IVD TV HD TV Antenna. This TV antenna is permanently mounted on the roof of your RV, so you can watch your favorite TV shows for free. It receives South Dakota and HD signals for ABC, CBS, NBC, Fox, and more. The antenna can also receive local news, weather, and other programs available within a 55-mile radius and based on your RV's location and distance from the broadcast tower. The sensor IV is powder-coated for durability and has a built-in amplifier to boost the TV reception. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.